Friend, welcome to my channel Utpal. This video I'm going to show with you how can I make this type of special effect in Photoshop. I will show you how. So before I continue this video, if you're first time visiting this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. So let's see how I've done this. So this process is so much is different. You will learn from this video. First of all, open a portrait. You want to do the process with the portrait. I'm selecting the layer that I will already processing the work. You can see. So here is the portrait is ready. So now next thing we're going to do, we add a new layer above this. We add a new layer top of that and choose gradient tool for this. G for gradient, and here you choose for the black and white color. You can see the basic inside the basic panel. You can see the black and white. Okay, now you hold the shift key in your keyboard and drag it down. You get a straight line if you shift the hold key. If you are holding the shift key, sorry. Now you can see the gradients apply. Now next thing we're going to do, we go to filter and here you choose for distort, and here inside this you go to web. Okay, and now here you can see the number of generator. You approximately I choose here 140, and that over wavelength I'm going to choose somewhere 63. Okay, and just I try to adjust this way. You can see the drawing line inside that panel as a preview. Okay, I think I want to go with this the number 63 also. Here is the max limit 129 in the minimum limit of 63. And also I'd like to tell you that type is going to be square. You choose for the square, and the underfilled areas you're going to choose for this repeat as a pixel. I'm going to press OK and wait for a minute. Sorry, sometimes. Okay, now next thing we're going to do, we're going to change the blending mode of this. I'm changing the blending mode of this. Going to screen. I make it screen. Now come down to the bottom layer and select the main subject. I turn off the eyeball of the top layer and I'm going to select the subject. So here to come to the quick selection menu. Press the W key in your keyboard, and here you can get the option that select subject. If you are using the Photoshop latest version like this CC 2019 or 2020, so you get an option select subject. So Photoshop will determine the subject. So wait for sometimes to be determine the subject Photoshop. Okay, we have done. You can see that the Photoshop has already as a great understanding the subject. So you can see that the Photoshop is determine the subject. You make a copy of this layer, press Ctrl J, you get a copy of that the selected area. Okay, you turn out the bottom layer, you can see the selected area. Okay, just a second. I tell you something. I forgot to tell you something. After applying, you are determine the selected area subject is selected. Now right click on it and go to feather and choose feather. You add some feather somewhere 4. Okay, and I pressing OK. Okay, now press the Ctrl J. You get a new layer for this and drag the bottom top layer to the this middle position and make this layer to the top right layer. Okay, now is the layer is the beneath of the layer this black and white gradient. Now we next thing we're going to do, we going to filter again, going to filter menu, and here you choose for the distort. Inside the distort menu, distort panel, you can see here polar coordinate. You go with polar coordinate. Here you can see here is a style panel is open. Make sure to check this rectangular to polar. Okay, and here you can zoom in out and zoom in out also, and press OK if you're happy with this the result. I'm pressing it OK. Okay, you can see this the result amazing. And also you can do one more things, you can change the screen blending will change it, you can make it luminosity. I make it luminosity. And also I'm trying to uh, deleting the area some of this here. Go to the top right layer button layer, and here is choose for eraser tool, and you choose for a brush for this soft round brush. Okay, and the opacity is 100, everything is 100. Now you can do just delete some of the area that is making comfortable feel like it's so hardest. The inside edges are very hardest, so remove some of the areas so it look natural. So this case, okay, this way you can make this. Wait, I will show you more of, friend. Wait, stay with me, I will show you more. Okay, this way you can make the process. And one more things you can do, again you come to the middle layer and make the duplicate of it, control J, pressing the control J, and now changes the blending mode of it to screen. You can see a different effect you can get from this. Here it is, you can change different mood as you like. This way you can make a amazing effect in Photoshop. So I want to show you more that in another picture I want to show you this effect. I go to with this layer, this image, this portrait, and the things is that you make a new layer above it. Press the new layer option, and here you go to the gradient tool and fill with the gradient, holding the shift key on your keyboard and drag it to down, up to down, and fill with the black gradient, black and white gradient, and make sure that you need to choose from here black and white. Okay, and you come to filter menu again, filter, and here you choose for dessert and check for the wave, and you have to check 140 some around the number of generator. I am choosing somewhere around 47 or 36, 43. Okay, I'm choosing somewhere the 43. You can check it many different number, you can try to do many portrait. I'm doing the process like the 170 and the 43 above, you can see on the panel. And the check mark is the square we're going to be, and the repeat is must be checked on. And where is need to press OK. Okay, now come down to the to bottom layer, and you go to the select, I mean W, if you can entering the W, and the object and quick selection tool is activated. Here you can see the select subject. Photoshop automatically will do find out for us the subject, because Photoshop have the great understanding to what is the, I mean this the object is. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes to be Photoshop determine what is the subject in our. Okay, you can see that if you turn off the top right layer button, and you can see that the subject is selected. It's pretty much good selection you can see. And you make a feather on it, you add some feather on it, you also feather on it like the way, go to select menu, modify, and get feather. Some around the 4, I am using 4 radius, and control J, I take it, drag to down the bottom layer, sorry, top layer button, top layer, and I turn on again. uh, I mean eyeball I have opened again. Now it's visible that eyeball. Now you can do selecting the middle layer and go to filter menu again, and go to distort, and here you choose polar coordinates. Okay, and you can zoom in out, zoom out. How can see that if a 6% I choose, that how it looks is going to be. The main factor is when you are go to the selected menu, sorry, filter menu, here is a, after that distort menu, you can wave. Inside the wave menu, you can, if you reduce the size of word net, so if you reduce the size of it, so it might be some different results. If you try many way, you can see the result. So I'm not changing it anyway. And also now I'm going to change the blending mode up to screen. Now you can see if you're choosing to this luminosity, so how it can be changed. This, see, you can see whatever you like, you go with that. I like to go with luminosity. Luminosity also you can overlay, you can make it soft light as you want. I make it luminosity again. I control J, copy of that and go to screen again. And now you can see that it's the all the edges are so much hardest. So you can make it so a blur of it or delete some of the area. Come to the top right layer, and here you choose for the eraser tool. Make sure that your brush is selected soft round brush, and the everything is 100%. I have chosen here. And also now you try to delete some of the area like way, so it looks perfectly all right. You can understand how it's working. This way you can make the work, and this process is so much easy, friend. I hope you understand how I'm doing this the process. So this is type of process making so easy, friend. And I hope you understand. I have already, I mean, that share with you the thumbnail of the image. This way you can make this. I have the same process that applied in that particular image. So that's it, friend. This video is enough for this tutorial. I will show you more in this next tutorial. I'm going to upload every day. I'm uploading different, I mean, new tutorials. So make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, so getting motivated me, so I continue to upload more videos. So please, friend, subscribe my channel, and if you have a comment about my video, so I would like to know, so I get a, I mean, motivation from inside, so I will make more and show you more. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is like you, and thank you for watching this video, guys.